Track 1.29. Unit 3. Reading. Exercise 1.
Danger. Humans. Which is more dangerous? A shark, a chair, or a person? When an animal attacks a person, there are always stories about it on TV and in the newspapers. But people are usually more dangerous than animals. Every year, we kill approximately 100 million sharks, but sharks only attack 3 or 4 people, and crocodiles 6 or 7. More people die in accidents with chairs. Animals aren't really a problem for people, but we are a problem for animals. We eat millions of tons of fish and meat every year. But people don't kill animals just for food. They also hunt them for fur or for fun. While you're reading this, people are hunting animals all over the world. At the moment, animals are becoming extinct in every part of the world. The red list of animals in danger in Kazakhstan includes species of horses, leopards, wild dogs, lynx, otters, bats, and bears. We aren't killing all these animals directly, but they are dying and becoming extinct because of human behavior. Our pollution and construction is changing the climate and animals' habitats, and time is running out for some animals. It's important to change our actions now and save the animals.